I'm Aqua with WTI.
Are you looking to add a pop of color to your house? Well, I have found this beautiful paint by Soto. This is the number 50 glass green color. I have received so many compliments on this paint. The color is just a perfect green, almost aqua with just a hint of blue. Very spa-like, very calming color, and I've really been pleased of how it turned out in my bathroom, and also I use this in a bedroom as well. This paint is really high quality, and you can tell that in the consistency in the body of the paint. It is not too thin where it's splattering or drips very easily, but it's not too thick either. Just really excellent application. It also is suggested to do 2 coats, and these 2 coats is all that is needed. I did not have any problems with color showing through or bleeding through. Just a really consistent, beautiful color. And I love that this is a matte finish as well, really adding to a very modern look. I love too that this was a low VOC emissions paint, but is really a durable paint. This can be used exterior and interior, also practically on any surface. It can be used on cabinets, furniture, walls. So it has that unique versatility, but not lacking in durability. Also, I just love that it came with a paint can opener, gloves, and even 2 expandable towels as well.
I was very impressed with this paint, and that's my point of view.